Hello, this is Nick from Dripper Labs, bringing you the results of our first ever Flavour Games competition. We used the data from all the recipes so far and asked you to put these 5 ingredients in order of popularity. So, let's start with the least popular, which was the tobacco, used 111 times, which is 4% of all recipes on the platform, closely followed by another underrated ingredient, which is the coffee. That was 118 unique recipes, making up 4.3% of all recipes. Now we're into the fruits. Those of you that had banana in third place, which was 158 uses and 5.7% of total recipes, are still in the running. So the big reveal, those of you who are still going, it was mango in second place, 231 unique recipes and just over 8% of all recipes ever created that use the mango ingredient, which means the most popular of the ingredients we offered you in this list was raspberry, used in 340 unique recipes and making up 12.3% of all flavours created on the platform so far. Those of you that got it all right are shown below. We will issue your reward points. Thank you very much for taking part. I hope you enjoyed it. Lots more to come from the Flavour Games series, lots more interesting insights into the Dripper Labs community. Thanks as always for playing, and watch this space for more Flavour Games to come.